Good day everyone, my name is Manilyn P. Awit and today I'll be discussing about equipment and apparatus. So number one is electronic detection apparatus. So electronic detection apparatus detects indention or indented writings and records transparencies of any indentions. So ang electronic detection apparatus is isa na siya ka-equipment where it can detect indention or indented writings. Ang indention or indented writings um, is an impression left or nabilin sa isa ka papel by using writing instruments like ballpen or lapis with force. So ang electronic detection apparatus is isa na siya ka essential for examiners kay dara is makadetect siya fraud. So number 2 is video spectral comparator or VSC. So it is used in examinations of mass obliterated text, or obliterated text is a unintentional or intentional covering of a writing. So kanang obliterated text is isa na siya ka writing nga gikaveran og another substance. So by using video spectral comparator, dira makita dyan mo kung ang isa ka writing is nakavera na ba siya. So it also examine the watermarks, visible fluorescence, and oblique eliminations of indented writings and embossings. It also detects variations in the infrared characteristic of inks and reveals alteration by eliminating interfering backgrounds luminescence. Document forgery can be revealed instantly by using VSC. So, ang video spectral comparator is a highly sensitive imaging system variation in the infrared absorptions and luminescence of dyes and pigments. It is a versatile imaging system where for examination or examining question documents and fluorescent fingerprints. So last semester we visited the regional forensic unit 11. So dito nakita na ko ning video spectral comparator. So ginagamit ito sa mga police examiner to detect if ang isa ka document is forged ba siya or dili. So by using this is naga-record sila tulo ka original copy, like for example sa signature, tulo ka original copy sa signature and katong forged nga signature. So kana is i-differentiate nila by using video spectral comparator kay kani nga video spectral comparator is isa na siya ka advanced technology na instantly ma-detect yun nimo kang isa ba siya ka fraud document or dili. So number 3 is stereoscopic binocular microscope, a kind of microscope which give a three-dimensional enlargement of object. So mas better ni siya kay unlike sa ordinary microscope no, kay ang stereoscopic binocular microscope is naghatag siya kanang 3D enlargement of an object or ang image no. And letter A is it detects 90% defects in stroke structure and typewriting defects. So letter B is detect overlapping of lines. Letter C is detects uneven distinction of ink, and letter D is detects overwriting. So letter E is detects fraudulent addition. Letter F is detects erasure and pencil's outline of forgery signature. So kaning stereoscopic binocular microscope no kay kita dyan mo if makita dyan mo dire if ang isa ka document is gitrace siya by using pencil, kung gi-outline ba siya, if and madetect po niya dire kung unsay kalahian sa sa pagkuan sa stroke and sa ink nagigamit. So, number 4 is magnifying lens. Bank personnel and other personnel involved in currency examination usually use an ordinary hand lens, the maximum diameter of which is 4 inches, and this appears big with its wide frame. It has a magnifying power of 2 times and the original only. Magnifying lenses of 5 times or more magnifying power with built-in lighting are more useful. So kaning magnifying lens no kay gamit kay siya sa mga bank personnel or other personnel na involved sa money, kay kaning magnifying lens is better ni siya sa ordinary lenses na ginagamit kay kay 2 times it has a magnifying power 2 times than the original one. So kanang if gamitan dyan mo siya is makita dyan mo if ang isa ka ano kay if ang isa ka money is dili ba siya katong original or fake ba siyang money. So number 5 is shadow graph. So shadow graph is a pictorial image formed by casting a shadow, usually of hands, upon a rightful surface of a screen. So ang shadow graph is a machine which enlarges minute detail as much as 20 times, but with no ocular piece as in Microsoft. So it facilitates examinations of handwriting and type. So kaning shadow graph na ginagamit po siya sa mga pwede po siya sa document examination kay dira makita po mo ang handwriting or type sa isa ka writing.
Today we were going to discuss techniques, equipments, and apparatus in question documents examination and their uses. First is microscopic examination. Stereoscopic examination with low and high power objectives is used to detect retouching, patching, and unnatural pen leaf and signature analysis. With proper angle and intensity of illumination, it aids in decipherment of erasures, some minute manipulations not perfectly pictured to the sequence of entries done by different instrument. So microscopic examination diri ma-detect og nabay ang mga retouching, patching, and unnatural pen leaf sa isa ka sulat or sa papel. Ginapadako diri ang mga letters or ang writing sa isa ka papel para makita ang ilahang nabay mga retouching or patching ang mga nahitabo. Next is transmitted light examination. Documents are subjected to this type of examination to determine the presence of erasures, snatching of serrations, and some other types of alteration. So sa transmitted light examination, diri gina-examine ang document kung nabay alterations, erasures, or snatching of serrations o kaya ng mga nagisi or mga nabuslot nga papel. Makita diri ang technique sa transmitted light examination. Next is ubique light examination to detect decipherment of faded handwriting and to determine outlines of traced forgery, embossed impression, and etc. This type of examination is used. So there is a ubique light examination. Kailangan siya og light para makita og ang mga traced forgery ang mga trace or forgery nga mga sulat. Nahimo na nato nitong last itong gipahimo ni sir sa tuwa nga mga type of handwritings. or katong mga mali sa mga sulat. Next is photographic examination. This type of examination is very essential in very document examination. Actual observations are recorded in photography. So, diri sa photographic examination, ang document is ginapicturean nila para uh, i-examine gamitan og by the use of cameras, uh, photography. uh, Next is ultraviolet examination. There is a ultraviolet examination is this type of examination is done in dark room after the lamp has been warmed up in order to give a maximum output of ultraviolet light. So ang kani diri is ginagamit ni siya sa dark room. So ginamgitan siya og ultraviolet light katong blue nga familiar naman taning ultraviolet light katong blue nga light. So diri makita ang the exposure of a document to ultraviolet light is useful when it consists of several pages and substitution in being suspected. The color and intensity of fluorescence reaction is very apparent in case of substituted.
Good morning, everyone. I am Denise Cristal Galamo. In continuation of equipments and apparatus, next is the measures and test plates, or the transparent glass. This is used for signatures and typewriting. So, ginagamit ito sa mga typewritings and signatures to see the clear vision of its signatures and typewritings. Kasi, diba, transparent nga yung glass, ay mas makikita yung structure ng writings or signatures in testing it. So next is the table lamps with adjustable shades, or the gooseneck lamp. So it is used for controlled illuminations needed inside light examination, wherein light is placed at low angle in a position oblique to plane or documents. Ginagamit ang gooseneck lamp sa mga dark places which is needed ng light. So next is transmitted light gadget. It is a device where light comes from beneath or behind glass on document is placed. So this light gadget is ginagamit to examine the question document. It is the document itself is placed beneath or under the gadget kung saan may light na andoon, tsaka para maging mas clear yung document for examination. Next is the ultraviolet lamp. This is usually used in the detection of counterfeited bills but can actually be used to detect security features of qualified documents. So itong ultraviolet lamp is usually nga ginagamit sa mga peking pera to identify if it is fake or not. Can also be used in qualified documents such as certificates, diplomas, to examine if it is fake or not. Next is the infrared viewer. It is primarily used to decipher writings in charred documents. So ginagamit ito to examine documents which is mga nasunog na mga documents, to know or to examine the writings on that charred document o yung sunog na document. Next, the last one is the comparison microscope. It is similar to that of the bullet comparison microscope. So this comparison microscope is may dalawang microscope na kung saan i-examine yung dalawang documents, which is the one is the question document. It is ang isa naman is yung standard document. So doon i-examine kung parehas ba yung document or may mga kaibahan ba, and doon makikita if that document is fake or not. So that's all. Thank you.